The Beginner's Guide to LinkedIn Marketing in 2023. LinkedIn is one of the premier social networking platforms that you can use to get clients into your business. And that's never been more true now in 2023. If you want to attract clients to your business, they are on LinkedIn. LinkedIn doesn't have as many users as, say, Facebook or Instagram. I mean, LinkedIn reports anywhere from 200 million to 800 million, depending on what report you read. But the people on LinkedIn tend to be a bit more engaged, and they're also in a business mindset. So if you are trying to market your business, it's probably wise to consider LinkedIn as one of the places that you should be doing so. Now, I can hear you thinking, but wait a minute, I'm B2C and LinkedIn feels like B2B. That might be true that LinkedIn is a business platform. It's a business social network. However, the people that are on LinkedIn are consumers. And if you sell to humans, then those humans are going to be on that platform. So if you're in, say, health and wellness, for example, LinkedIn might be a great place for you to start hanging out because there aren't a lot of people doing that on LinkedIn. So you can really stand out if you get onto that platform and you get on there in time. So let's talk about some of the things that you can be doing on LinkedIn that are going to help you market your business. And the very first thing that I always talk about with people is their profile. It's optimizing your profile, because your profile is the place people are going to go to check you out, to see what you're all about, to check out your business, and to see how you interact with others, the kind of content that you produce, the way you present yourself. So optimizing your profile is going to be very important. So make sure you go through, have a great banner at the top of your profile. Make sure your profile picture is something that is warm and welcoming, something that when a prospect sees it, they want to get to know you. Don't have any goofy pictures on there. It's a professional platform. You can be goofy anywhere else. Make sure the words that you write in your headline and in your summary are always geared towards the results that you give your clients. And that's going to give people a really good first impression when they come to your profile to check you out. The second thing that I want you to start working on LinkedIn is your connections and the people that you're connected with, because it's your network on LinkedIn that's going to produce the best results for you. Now, it stands to reason that if you fill your network with people who are your perfect prospects, they're going to be seeing you and seeing your content, and they're more likely to become your clients. So work to make connections with people who are your perfect prospects. Fill your network with people who are more likely to buy from you. That's going to work wonders for your ability to organically grow your business through LinkedIn. I always use the pizza shop analogy. If you opened a pizza shop, you would want to fill your pizza shop with people who like to eat pizza. And if you don't, you're probably not going to sell a lot of pizza. The same is true of your network. Fill your network with connections who need what you do. And you'll watch as they start to emerge wanting to work with you. And then once you have an optimized profile and you start to do a great job with your connections, it's now time to start creating the content that's going to get them coming to you. So one of the biggest tips I can give you is when you're creating content on LinkedIn, make it less or not at all about you and make it all about them and all about the transformation that you can offer them. When you do that and you've filled your network with your perfect prospects, they're going to see your content. It's all about them. It's all about the transformation that they want. They're going to be reaching out to you, and you're going to start growing your business organically through LinkedIn. And then finally, consistency is key. Being incredibly consistent on LinkedIn is going to be the one thing that separates you from the people who just show up for a little while and then go away. And then they come back and they post something like, "I'm back," and then they go away again. If you show up consistently, you're going to take all of their clients and you're going to get all of your clients as well. So consistency on the platform is so very important. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create content like this. And if you liked the stuff that I was talking about today, well, why don't you head over to, it's over here, why don't you head over to proutyclass.com and take a free workshop that I am offering that's going to give you even more advice on how to get clients from social media and from LinkedIn. That's right over here at proutyclass.com. Just type that in to your browser. And while everything that I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need, which is why I'm going to put another video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you even more in getting clients into your business. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to this channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.